Yeah.
Yeah, guess where? Guess where?
We are back.
We're back to Kana Shanti again, and the trio is back, guys. The trio is back.
After a really long
After a
time.
year. Last time we went was
Last December.
last December,
Yeah.
and then it's been a year since we went
Because
out.
last time when we came for Kana Shantivanam, Purnima was not at all interested. Today, the reason she's interested was to give the parcel.
What do you mean, Harika? You are making a lot of assumptions, and
That's the truth.
which Purnima can't justify.
Yeah.
I actually came because I want to spend time with you guys, and then you're just
Okay, so continuation of the previous vlog. Purnima came for post office. And then, so last time Purnima came, she didn't explore Kana Shantivanam. We are going to take her near that statue where I last time dreamt of going.
yeah. So we came here after our exam. So today everyone had exams.
Yeah.
And how was your exam, Praksha?
It was okay. I won't say anything.
How was your exam,
It was good.
Niharika,
Obviously.
you're such a liar. Till now she's complaining that it was bad, guys.
I knew the answer, but I did something, so that's why I feel guilty for that.
So they both had finance and I had marketing.
How was your exam, Purnima?
I mean, it was fine, but then I didn't get time to complete the exam. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so we are going to the statue, and then our exams are not over yet. I have day after tomorrow. We thought of coming here to eat for lunch, and then we had lunch, guys. It was so good. I mean, it was fine.
Yeah, it was fine.
We had plain rice.
It's way better than our mess, so
Yeah.
not gonna complain.
We had plain rice and sambar and papad
And
and
that aloo thing.
it was aloo.
It's aloo curry.
Purnima, it was aloo.
The statue is 1.2 kilometers, which is 16 minutes far by walk.
Should we go?
Guys, basically, look at this. We didn't even start and Purnima just sat. So now we're delayed. And Niharika is not encouraging us to go. I'm the only person who wants to walk. She got comfortable. And Purnima decides to get up. We'll update you.
Last time I went to Kana Shanti, I didn't literally see anything, and so this is the actual Kana Shanti, guys. You guys didn't see. I came last year, and then I just ate and came back. That's it. So I think there's a lot of things here. It's what they're saying.
Are you nature place? Okay, we explored many places. We don't know if you will like it.
Me and Niharika walked every single place in this
Imagine
Kana Shanti.
17,000 steps.
But I don't want to walk, guys.
That's
We know.
your problem, Purnima.
Purnima, to eat more, you have to digest this.
Okay. For that, we have to.
That's a motivation.
That's my motivation to eat, guys.
Guys, I took
This girl is crying.
guys, Purnima sat again and we had to make her get up.
At this rate, we'll never reach that statue.
We are gonna see the animal, the bull.
Where's the bull?
Not bull, cows were there.
Arey, it was a bull, bro.
It was a bull. There is
Guys.
really good here.
Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow.
I'm gonna see my most favorite animal in the whole wide world. A cow. Which is not that shown. But yeah. So we are here to see the cow.
Arey, it's a bull.
Arey, that's what I'm saying. Guys, I keep saying it's a bull and they don't understand
But
and
then
they're saying
it's
it's a cow.
literally written there, don't feed the cow.
That's wrong, bro. They don't care about gender.
So there's a hump on that cow, guys. So it's supposed to be a bull, but I don't know how it's
That's a bull
cow.
only. That's not cow now.
Okay, so
At
Preksha
this
was
rate,
right.
we have to, yeah. For
Guys,
the first
I'm
time,
always right. No one listens to me.
this
we thought of like walking from the college to here to Kana Shanti.
Then we would never reach.
Because it's like a 10 minute.
No, it's not 10-minute walk. It's basically 3.8 kilometers.
It's just 10 minutes. We will reach here. Like in 10 minutes, we will reach here through auto. Or we'll walk and then because the auto people are charging like 300 for like one way, and if we are taking two ways, it's like 500. So we decided to walk because they are charging us 50 rupees extra if we are just taking like one way, which we don't want. And then in the end we thought we'll from there to here we'll come through auto, and then from here to there we go, well, while going back we'll go through walking.
We realized that we can't walk because it's sunny. That road is really bad.
And then it takes like
I guess for us to walk it will take some 40 minutes to 1 hour.
we realized, and then we dropped the plan of walking, and then we just we'll just use the auto and go back.
So when you come to Kana Shantivaram, don't forget to do like this
This is one of the places Purnima wants to show you to take pics.
and to sleep.
And the pose recommendation as well.
The duo in the trio.
We want to clarify something.
We are not the duo in the
In the trio, Purnima always ditches us, so it just became like that. So
Yeah.
it is the
Purnima's fault.
result of
It's
Purnima's
always
actions.
excuses, guys. It's always excuses. You guys know there's always a duo in the trio.
No. Then first we can say that.
Then we would not call you Purnima.
Yeah, we both would only go.
But like that's the main thing in the duo and the trio, bro. See. Now you guys don't have anything to say. Famous and crunchy leaves, guys.
Basically, this person fell down, and Purnima was kind enough to ask him if he's fine, and he blanked out, ignored her. And yeah,
He ignored me. He
Because
ghosted me in real life.
Purnima's language barrier issues.
So our warden told Niharika that the samosa is really good here. That she should try.
You left out the part that they're best friends, Purnima.
It's very fresh Purnima.
It's fresh. How is it, Niharika?
It's very hot and fresh.
Yeah, hot and fresh. But like how?
It's nice, fresh.
It's nice. Like how would you rate it? How much would you? How?
Are you okay? Oh.
Niharika, Niharika, calm. It's okay.
Niharika is scared of dogs, guys.
Can you show it?
How can I?
How much would you rate it, bro?
6 or 7.
6 or 7?
But you reacted like it's so good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fake reaction for the vlog.
8. She gave 8 for warden recommended samosa.
So their taste match.
Yeah.
Arey, this tea is not nice, bro. This tea is bad.
Who said the tea is amazing?
That uncle.
Some uncle said that the tea is good, but it's not good, it seems. I think nothing can top the tea world ka chai. The tea world chai is to die for, guys. I think the only thing which I miss after passing out is the Tea World ka chai. Influencer things. Taste this, guys.
You have to add more sugar for me.
Masala is there too much. And then we slept like 2 in the morning, and then we woke up at 5 in the morning, and we wrote the exams. We came straight to Khana Shandi to have our lunch, and then now we have to go back and then sleep. So Preksha bought tea and ice cream.
Yes.
Melting Resha.
I'm gonna have it, guys. It's my favorite.
The weird competition.
Poonma wants me to put the ice cream in the tea, but I'm not gonna.
I mean, it's actually, it would be a great
Actually, I want to try Tea World ka tea.
After Poonma sponsored it.
She's only talking about Tea World ka tea. So maybe in future when we come for burger, I'll try.
No matter what happens, me and Seba would go every day. Even if it's raining, or even if it's cold, or even we have exams, we just go there every day to just have
I know.
the
Yesterday
chai.
we went to buy something and we saw them coming.
Yeah.
And then only, I guess we thought ki no matter what, these people will never miss Tea World one.
I think it's a Mallu thing, bro.
Even Telugu people also drink a lot of tea. You
But
can't say
no,
that it's a
it's
Mallu
not
thing.
like that. It's like no matter what happens, like we go.
Hello.
Guys,
Tea lovers are like that.
I need to say something else. This is what I have to go through every single day. This girl will be full on.
Arey, tea lovers will go preach.
She's team Mallu, she's team Telugu, and they both keep fighting.
Arey, I don't drink tea every day.
I don't care, Niharika, but
I
you're
drink
not going.
occasionally.
That's the problem.
I tried tea because
my
people were like it's good.
But
I support
all I'm
no.
talking about is just me.
No. You're
Doing
talking about
Mallu
Mallu
thing.
people are too great something you were saying.
I didn't say Mallu people are great. I'm just saying
You
that
said
it's a
that-
Mallu thing because
It's
me.
not a Mallu thing. It's a South. It's not even South Indian thing. It's a tea lover thing.
Enough.
Do you do that, Niharika?
I'm not a tea lover, no.
Then
I don't drink tea, I
there's
don't drink
nothing to
coffee.
talk about here, Niharika.
Please don't force this anyone.
Guys, do you see what I have to go through? It's
Eating ice cream. It's too sweet.
I didn't know. The ice cream is really good, but the environment is really bad.
I'm abandoning this group. This trio. Now I'm duo in the trio.
No, I am going to abandon the group, not you.
You have to unsubscribe in the chat.
I exited the chat.
That's it. Cut. Cut.